Hey guys, welcome to Artsy Fartsy Furniture in Distress. Today I'm going to show you how I make these business card holders out of vintage door hinges. Let's get started. My name is Dorothy and I'm going to be showing you one of my clever repurposing projects today. I'll be converting vintage door hinges into unique business card and tablet holders. Let me know in the comments at the end of this video what unique ways you have repurposed old door hinges. It may not surprise you. I love vintage hardware, especially old door hardware. Doorknobs, keys, and especially hinges. My favorite hinges are these vintage Eastlake era hinges. I mean, seriously, how fancy can a hinge get? These are so ornate, I just had to make something out of them. Most of the time, old hinges are covered in 100 coats of paint. All you need to do to get the paint off, super simple. Pick up an old crock pot from the thrift store. Don't use the one that you already cook with. Get something separate. Soak these hinges on high for a few hours. The paint just falls right off. No scraping, no harsh chemicals. Easy peasy. Once you have the old paint off, you'll want to secure your hinge in an L shape. I use a liquid welding epoxy called JB Weld to secure my hinge in place and to secure a small drawer knob to the front of the hinge. I use some painter's tape to keep the hinge from moving while this epoxy hardens. I usually make several of these at one time and leave them to set overnight. Once these hinges are set in place, you can paint these however you like. I like to add several layers of color to make these really unique. Make them really stand out since these are going to be advertising someone's business cards. I've used larger hinges as tablet holders, and my mom uses hers to prop her cell phone up on. It's a great gift for anyone who has business cards. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more of my repurposing projects, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Please leave a comment about this video and let me know how you have repurposed old hinges into fun new uses.